Good morning, Shadows. Today I'm going to try steaming green bananas. It's taking a while for my bananas to ripen, and I saw this recipe online where you can steam it, so let's try it. While I preheat the rice cooker, I need to slice open this banana. Like this. Now that the water is hot, I can put the steam rack on. And the banana. Yeah. It should be okay. It's now been 15 minutes and now we're gonna check if it's ready. Got my fork. I think it needs to be in there a little bit longer. Here. I'm gonna put some honey in it. Itadakimasu. Say ah. It tastes like that cassava thing. I bet that if I steam ripe bananas, it'll taste sweeter and softer. But this tastes good too.